incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we are diving in to the Lush Mother's Day collection of 2025. Honestly, I cannot quite believe we are already filming this video. I know that Valentine's Day and Mother's Day come around like really quickly with Lush. I feel like every year we do go through these videos in January, but I still can't quite believe we are already going through it and I haven't seen a single spoiler. This is going to be my raw, authentic reactions to all the items. I'm so excited. So let's cut the chit chat. Let's dive in. I'm honestly, can you tell that I'm excited? I'm so excited. So let's go. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so the first item in the collection is the Mother Bear Bath Bomb. This one is giving very affordable, very cutesy, very like just perfect for younger children or just for people who want that really subtle, gentle bathing experience. Bathing experience. This one is, as I said, the Mama Bear Bath Bomb, and this one is going to retail for £4. Scent wise, this one is Honey I Wash the Kid scented, so it's orange, bergamot and sweet toffee. Absolutely delish. I love Honey I Wash the Kids, especially around Mother's Day. It's such a cozy, comforting kind of smell, perfect for Mother's Day in my opinion. So that is the first item. The next one is the Edamame Bean Bath Bomb. This one is so cute. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love the look of this one. So this one is going to retail for £3.50. Again, another really reasonably priced item. I'm here for it. I love that. And this one is a new toffee apple scent, which is bergamot, geranium and carob resinoid. That sounds delicious and it looks adorable. I feel like this is going to be a really popular one. Like, it just looks very simple, very subtle, but absolutely adorable as well. So I love the look of that one. The next item is a returning product, and this is the Blooming Beautiful Orange Blossom Bath Bomb. That is a tongue twister, and I've still got a really tickly cough, so my breath is like not very long at the moment, so that was a hard one. Anyway, this one is going to retail for £5.50, and this one is Celebrate scented, so it's orange and lime. I love Celebrate scented anything, so I am so excited to get this one. I absolutely loved it last time, and it was just beautiful, so it was a 10 out of 10 for me. Another returning product, this is the Blooming Beautiful Chamomile Bath Bomb. Again, this one is £5.50 and it's chamomile, lemon and Styrax, is that how you pronounce it? Not quite sure. All I remember from this one, it's a very gentle, calming, obviously you've got that chamomile in there, so it's very subtle. You want a really fun, colourful bath bomb, but you don't want like an overpowering fragrance. This one is lovely, and again, it's the same price as the other one, so I really enjoy that one. And then we have the Blooming Beautiful Grass Bath Bomb. This one is not going to be a bit of me. I can already tell from the name I'm not going to like it. If you guys don't know me and you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Melody. I don't like earthy smells. Grass, woods, moss, any of that kind of vibe like isn't a bit of me, so this one I'm probably not going to get. Price wise, this one is £6, so that one's quite interesting that that one is going to be a little bit more than the others. This one is a brand new item and it's grass scented, so it's sandalwood, bergamot and neroli. Not a bit of me. I'm probably not going to get that one, but if you guys love an earthy fragrance, you'll love it. The next item is the weirdest looking thing I have ever seen. I did not expect that. I don't know what it was. I don't know. I just sort of swiped and I was thinking, is it a dinosaur? No. This is the Good Mother Lizard reusable reusable bubble bar. Now, please somebody correlate lizards to mothers, apart from obviously lizards are mothers, obviously. Like lizards to Mother's Day, I can't quite get there on my own, so I'd love to know down below how you correlate a lizard to Mother's Day. But this one does look really cool, and I feel like if this was kind of like an all year round thing, it would be really fun and something different. So this is obviously a brand new product, and it's going to be £6, and it's passion fruit shower gel scented, so it's passion fruit, boot chew, Litzy Cubea and sweet wild orange. Honestly, that's going to smell delish, but I'm just not... It's not screaming Mother's Day, so I'm not sure about that one. The next item is a returning product, and this is the Avo Cuddle Bubble Bar. I loved the look of this one last year. I think I got it last year actually, and I think I really enjoyed it from what I can remember. This one is going to be £7, and it's of course Avo Bath scented, so that's lemongrass and bergamot. It basically smells like a very sharp, fresh lemongrass kind of smell. Like, it's a very clean, fruity fragrance. I love Avo Bath. It's actually like mouth watering, like thinking about it. It is so good. And this one one's adorable, so I love the look of that. Another returning product, and I'm so glad this one came back. This is the Atom Heart Mother Bath Bomb. Every single year I always say to you guys, I don't understand the name of this product, and you always let me know. Is it the name of a song? I feel like it's the name of a song or an album or something. You guys always tell me and I always forget, so please let me know down below because I cannot remember again what this one correlates to. But I'm really glad because this one again is Once Upon a Time scented, which for the OGs of you guys is So White scented, and that has apple, grapefruit, lemon and lime in it, and it's going to be £5.50 essentially. This one smells like apples, like a fresh, crisp, pink lady, green apple. Like that is exactly what this smells like, and I absolutely love this item. The next item is another bath bomb. This looks so adorable and it's such a bit of me. This is the Up, Up and Away bath bomb. This one is a brand new product which I am so excited about, and it's only £3.75. Again, it's probably only going to be a little one, but to be honest, I feel like if you would rather go for quantity over like size, you've got some really good price points in this range so far. This one is going to be lemon, lemon myrrh, Litzy Cubea and Styrax Resinoid. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. But anyway, it looks adorable. I love the look of it. The little pink kind of balloon with the purple bottom. So cute. The next item is a brand new bath bomb for the range. This is the Carrie's Secret Garden Bombshell. There is no price on this one, but scent notes we have cedarwood, vetiver, oak moss and geranium. The oak moss in that makes me a bit worried. Is it going to smell like a garden? Is it going to be earthy? Is it going to be woodsy? For those of you that enjoy those smells, I feel like it's going to be like zooming in on it like there's leaves. Do you know what I mean? Am I going to like it? I don't know. So I am going to have to smell that one in person, but these are massive and I love the fact that you could easily use these in 2 if not 3 to 4 baths, so I really love that. And I would imagine this is going to have loads of dried rose petals and like flower petals inside, which is really adorable too. And the next item I love the look of. This is the Shower Falling Cherry Blossom Bubble Bar. Such a long name, incredible. This one is going to be £7, and fragrance wise this is going to be mimosa, patchouli and red mandarin. I just love that. Like if that doesn't scream something I would enjoy, I don't know what does. Like that is beautiful, and I'm really intrigued to see the size of it. I feel like for £7 it's got to be that big, surely. I don't know, but that one is so cute. So those are all of the bath products. Now we're going to move on to shower. So the first item we have is the Old Songs Awaking Body Scrub. This is of course a returning product, and this one is going to be £11 for 135 grams or £22 for 290 grams, and scent wise this one is tonka, vanilla, bergamot or olibanum, and I loved this last year. Like this product last year, I absolutely loved it. It was so good and I loved the fragrance. I love the feel of it. To be honest, it was just a 10 out of 10, and I think ever since this product, like I fell in love with the sugar scrubs. So yeah, I'm really pleased to see one of those in the collection. Next we have a shower jelly, and this is the You Are My Sunshine shower jelly. This is so cute. I love the look of this. This is screaming Mother's Day. Like I always will buy my mum flowers for Mother's Day because I just think it's such a nice gesture. I mean, I love getting flowers anyway, but for some reason Mother's Day, flowers, it kind of correlates, you know what I mean? Not like a lizard. Flowers make sense. Anyway, so this is a shower jelly and this one is going to be £12. This one, oh my goodness, is Princess Peach scented. If you guys didn't smell the Princess Peach sort of selections in the Mario Kart range, was it Mario Kart or was it just Mario? I think it might have just been Mario actually, but anyway, it was incredible. It was such a really lovely, fruity, sweet, fresh smell, and this is going to be the same fragrance. And in terms of ingredients, it's got sweet wild orange, buchu, Litzy Cubea, olibanum and champaca. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but honestly, the smell, so good, and this is adorable. The next item we have is a solid soap, and this is the Rose Soap. Very good name. It looks absolutely beautiful. I want this in my bathroom. Like it looks so cute. So this one, did I say it's going to retail for £12? If I didn't, it's going to retail for £12, and the scent notes in this is rose, orange, palmarosa and geranium. Honestly, the look of that, like that, absolutely stunning. Stunning. I absolutely love it. The next item is something which you guys are going to be so ecstatic about because I've just seen it and I am eternally screaming, and that is of course the Yummy Custard Body Wash. This product, honestly, I have never used something in the shower that I have wanted to eat so badly as like this product. Like this was so good. It was so delicious. It's so sweet, creamy, moisturizing. It's absolutely incredible. So price wise on this one, it's going to be £9 for 100 grams or £18 for 225, and of course this is Let the Good Times Roll scented, so it smells like popcorn. So good. The next item is another shower jelly, and that is the Coffee Morning Shower Jelly, and this one is going to retail for £7. Honestly, this one is sticky date scented. Like, I'm done. I need to buy 12. I love sticky dates. It is the most delicious smell ever. You guys know me as well. I love a coffee. Like, I am a coffee kind of gal, and I am just shook. I'm gonna buy 12. I don't even care. Anyway, this is gonna be £7. Did I say that? I feel like I already said it. Anyway, £7. It's dates, vanilla, sandalwood. What more do you need to know? You need to buy 12. Trust me, if you like foodie smells like caramel, vanilla, kind of that toffee sweet fragrance, thank me later. Next up, moving on to a shower gel. This is the Snuggles shower gel. I'm not gonna lie, is this my favourite choice for Mother's Day? Absolutely not. Like, I personally am not a really big fan of Butterball, like the smell. Like, I feel like it smells how I imagine bicarbonate of soda to smell. Like, it just smells. There's something about it that I just don't love. However, this one is Snuggle shower gel. As I said, this one is Butterball scented, which is cocoa, musk and ylang ylang, and price wise it's £8 for 100 grams, £17 for 250 and £26 for 500. Price wise, not so bad. Like, it is a generic, kind of your average pricing really, but for me, the fragrance doesn't scream Mother's Day. That's just how I feel. I'm excited, but I'm not that excited. Do you know what I mean? And lastly, we're going to dive into the face, fragrance and the body section of this video. So the first item is the Keep It Fluffy body lotion. This looks absolutely delicious. And in terms of scent, so this one is the Keep It Fluffy fragrance, which is rose, jasmine, lemongrass and ylang ylang, and it's £11 for 100 grams and £22 for 250. I don't know what this smells like. I would love to know down below if you guys have ever smelled anything within this sort of scent family. I would love to know down below your thoughts and opinions on the scent, but I've never smelt it, so I couldn't tell you, but it looks absolutely delish. Then we have some eye patches. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you guys know how I feel about the Lush eye pads. Eye pads in general, I don't really love. I feel like I love the ones that go under my eyes, but I don't really enjoy the ones that go fully over my eyes. I feel very vulnerable. I feel like I can't see. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just not a bit of me. These are the Avo Rest eye patches, which are supposed to look like avocados. Kind of look like weird frog eyes, in my opinion. I don't know how I feel about them, but these are £3.50. I have nothing more to say about these. They look strange. Not for me, but you know, if you love a good eye patch, we've got some eye patches. Then we have a Lush Melt, and this is the Cinnamon Lush Melt, which is a new cinnamon roll fragrance. That sounds delicious. This is cinnamon, tonka, sandalwood, cardamom and vanilla. That sounds delicious. I feel like it's going to literally smell like a cinnamon roll, obviously, like a really foodie, sweet kind of smell. I love a good melt. I love to use them in my wax burners as opposed to using them in the bath. I don't like that oily feeling, but this looks delish and I feel like I really have to get one. So there's that. So the next item which is coming out for the Mother's Day collection is something which I am so excited about. I feel like Lush have needed to do one of these ever since we had the elbow grease, and years ago we had this elbow grease kind of in a stick. I don't think they make it anymore. I might be wrong, but I haven't seen it in a long time, and it was in like a little bar and you used to use it to like brighten up tattoos and stuff, and this I feel like is going to replace that. So this is the Symbol of Love tattoo oil, and it's going to retail for £10. In terms of fragrance, it's orange blossom scented, which is neroli, orange blossom, rosewood, sandalwood and ylang ylang. I love the look of this one. Like, I love the design. I think it screams Mother's Day, but also I feel like this is going to be something which should stick around, maybe change like the design of it a little bit maybe, but I think this would be a really good item to have all year round, so hopefully we'll see that again. And last but definitely not least, we have one more massage bar, and this one we don't actually have a photo of, so I do apologise, but this is the Bump massage bar, which is going to retail for £9, and scent wise it's similar to Deep Sleep, so it's lavender, neroli and chamomile. Again, I don't really know what this one's going to look like, what it's going to be like, but it sounds really nice. So those are all the items of the Mother's Day range, which is exciting. So those are all of the items for the Lush Mother's Day range of 2025. As always, I would love to know down below, what are you most excited about? What are you most disappointed with? Just let me know all your thoughts and feelings down below in the comments. And yeah, as always, thank you so much to lush.scents on Instagram for allowing us to use all your photos and for sharing this information. And that is everything for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.